Whether it's water damage, a broken display, or a stolen iPhone, practically everyone has had one of these problems at least once. Anyone trying to solve them themselves often makes them worse. But Apple's service provider Daniel Studer from the Austrian town of Feldkirch knows what to do. Problem number 1. Water damage.
When any kind of liquid touches the MacBook, it switches off. Don't try to turn it on again and disconnect it from any form of electricity. If there is still liquid left on it, dab it off the surface and put it into this position, so that the liquid doesn't drip into the book but runs back out instead. Then go as fast as you can to your service provider. He knows what to do.
Problem number 2. Cracked display.
Whoever crashed their phone's display shouldn't try to fix it themselves. Most people that come to our service point did even more damage to their phones by trying to repair them, because they either didn't pay attention to the electrostatic protection, or they put in the bolts incorrectly, or they forgot to take out the battery. The insurance doesn't pay anything anymore if you try to fix your phone yourself. The possibility to damage your iPhone even more is very high, and then it is totally busted.
Problem number 3. Theft.
In this situation, Apple offers a great function. It's called Find My iPhone. But it doesn't only work on iPhone. It works on any kind of Apple device. Doesn't matter if it's a Mac, a MacBook, or any iOS device. You sign in at iCloud.com on any computer. I'll show you right now. You sign in with your Apple ID. When you click on Find My Phone, the iPhone is located. Here you can see where the phone is at the moment. When I click on the device, an information window pops up. Here you have the possibility to mark your device as lost. And here you can write in your phone number so the finder or thief can see it. A thief will know they've been tracked, and the finder will know whom they should call to get a phone back to its owner. The customer also has the possibility to write a message that then appears on the display. It can be very helpful for the finder if it says something like, "Please bring my phone to this address. Thanks." And you can write an alternative number where the finder can reach you. If someone stole your phone, they'll be frightened because they see you located them. You can write, "Please give me my phone back. We know where you are and we are giving you one chance to bring it back." The chance is pretty high that the thief does bring it back because they're frightened. Another function is playing a special tone. When you have misplaced your phone. You just click on Play Sound and your phone plays the ringtone loudly, making it easier to find.
Bemerkbar mit einem lauten Klingelton und man findet es recht schnell.
And a third function is to wipe the iPhone. Here I have the possibility to delete it from my computer and revert it to the factory settings. That way I can be 100% sure that, if stolen, no one can get my personal data or use my phone.
So, if something happens to your phone, don't panic. By taking the right steps, you can protect it from even more damage.